Welcome back to Slow English Storytime.
James, let's go for coffee. I really need some energy this morning.
Oh no, Alice. I forgot my wallet in the dorm. I checked my pockets and it's not here.
Really? You have no money at all? Not even one coin?
Nothing. Empty pockets. No cash. No card.
That is not good. But maybe it can be fun.
Fun? How can no money be fun?
I have an idea. Let's make it a challenge.
What kind of challenge?
Today, we live one whole day without money.
Without money? Alice, how can we survive like that?
Don't worry. We survive a day, not die. Let's try it.
Okay, but I feel nervous.
Don't worry. Trust me. Maybe we discover new things today.
I'm okay. Let's see where this challenge takes us.
James, listen. Do you hear that music?
Yes. Drums, guitar, and singing. It's coming from over there.
Let's go. Maybe it's free. Wow! Look at everyone dancing. They look so happy.
And look at that boy. He's clapping faster than the music.
The singer has such a strong voice. I feel the energy.
I like the guitar. The sound makes me want to dance too.
Then dance, James. Don't be shy.
No. If I dance, everyone will run away.
That's true. But at least it's free.
Yes, free music, free happiness.
See? We already started our challenge. And we're not bored.
You are right. Maybe this challenge is not so bad. Alice, wait. I just remembered something.
What? Tell me quickly.
I have a cafe app on my phone. It shows points.
Points? Do they give free coffee?
Yes. Look, 1 free coffee.
Wow! That's perfect. Let's get it. Okay, James. First sip is mine.
Wait. Why you first?
Because I am more tired than you.
Fine. But don't drink all.
Ah, so warm. So sweet.
My turn. Yes, this is good.
One small cup, but so much joy.
Yes. Sharing makes it taste better.
You see? Even without money, we can still enjoy coffee.
And we are learning to share too.
Okay, James. What next?
Something free, something big.
Let's go to the museum. It's free entry today.
A museum? Sounds interesting.
Look at this painting. It's so colorful. I can almost feel the sky in it.
And this statue, it's taller than a bus. I feel small.
Don't worry, James. You are already small.
Alice, you are so mean.
But true.
Okay, but look here. This old vase, it's from hundreds of years ago.
Imagine people in the past using it. Life was different, but art is still here.
Amazing. We are learning for free.
Knowledge doesn't always need money.
True. I feel richer in my mind. Alice, wait. I have another surprise.
Another one? Tell me.
I also have the McDonald's app, and it shows points.
Really? Points for food?
Yes. Enough for 2 burgers and fries.
Wow, we're lucky today. Look at this burger. It looks delicious.
And look at these golden fries.
First bite is mine this time too.
Again? Alice, you always take first.
Because I'm faster. So tasty.
I agree. Free food tastes even better.
You see? Our challenge is going so well.
Yes, my stomach is full and my heart is happy.
Let's go inside the mall. Just for fun.
Okay. But remember, we can only look.
I know. No money, only eyes. James, look at that red dress. So pretty.
Yes, but don't touch it. Your hands are dangerous.
Don't worry. My eyes are enough.
These sneakers are so cool.
Yes. They look expensive.
One day, I will buy them. Today, just dreaming.
Dreaming is free. And it feels nice. James, sit here. This sofa is so soft.
Oh wow, I could sleep right now.
And this table, perfect for our study notes.
Today we imagine. Tomorrow we achieve.
Exactly. Dreams first, money later.
And together, everything is fun. You know, Alice, this morning I felt worried. I thought no money means no fun.
And now? What do you feel?
Now, I feel happy. We had music, coffee, art, burgers, dreams. All without money.
Yes. Money is useful. But happiness doesn't always come from money.
You are right. Today was special.
Good. But tomorrow, please bring your wallet.
Yes, tomorrow, I promise.
But today was our best no-money adventure.
And I will never forget it.